How to fix and solve login problem on InDrive application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you're having trouble while trying to log in into InDrive. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure that you have strong internet connection. You could also try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. If that's not your case, and make sure that you're entering your correct login credential. Double check your phone number, your email or OTP code and try to log in again. If that's not your case, then make sure that the application is up to date. To see for the updates, you have to open up Google Play Store, tap in the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for InDrive and then see if the application needs update. Tap on it, and if there is update button, make sure to update your application. After that, that will help you solve your problem. But if that's not your case and still if you're having the problem, then you have to open up settings in your device, head over to apps, tap on InDrive from the recently opened application. Once you're here, tap on force stop, and here again head over to storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. Once you do that, now you can close these settings and again reopen the InDrive and try to log in, and that will help you solve your problem. And if still not, you could uninstall InDrive from your device, reinstall it from the Play Store. That will give a fresh restart to your application. Then you may be able to log in again. So that's it. That's how you can fix and solve login problem in InDrive application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.